symbolic itong kwartong to at itong table na to. No, para sa mga kababayan natin, this is the same table. Here. Yan. Ito yung table na yan. Yan. Dito ginapag nung papalitan nitong dalawang to, nila Alcantara at saka nila Hernandez, yung, magkano daw to? 300 million ba ito? 300 million na pinagparte-partehan nila. And I think it's very important to use this as a symbol kasi kailangan itong buong district office na to na kung saan talagang sumabog itong napakalaking skandalong ito, symbolic to din ng pagbabago. Sabi ng Pangulo sa akin, linisin natin ang DPWH, reformahin natin ang DPWH para hindi na ito maulit-ulit. And I think itong gagawin natin ngayon with our new leadership here in the 1st District of Bulacan is symbolic of the changes that we want to make, that the President wants to make in the DPWH.